With this presentation, we are going to introduce you Sir Karl Popper, the greatest terminator of inductionism.
The central question Popper asks is, how do we achieve scientific knowledge?
All we need to do is acknowledge that we never do fully justify a theory or law. Instead, we accept them. Science proceeds through a process of proposing hypotheses and then testing them. Theses which are accepted are called conjectures that may be refuted at any time in the future.
Sir Karl Raymond Popper was an Austrian-British philosopher and professor. He is generally regarded as one of the greatest philosophers of science of the 20th century. Popper is known for his rejection of the classical inductivist views on the scientific method in favor of empirical falsification. A theory in the empirical sciences can never be proven, but it can be falsified, meaning that it can and should be scrutinized by decisive experiments.
A scientific theory is one that can be put to the test. It must be able to carry out a test that determines whether predictions of the theory are borne out. If not, then it's no more scientific.
Marxists always want verifications. Thus, Hume's theory is not enough.
A problem that Popper wishes to address is the problem of induction brought by David Hume. So let's consider the case of a glowing red stuffed top. Our past experiences have most likely led us to believe that touching a glowing red stuffed top will cause injury to our hand.
We begin with a finite, and we hope very small, number of such experiences, and we generalize to the claim that all glowing red stovetops will burn our hands. When in the future we see a red glowing stovetop, we then say, we had better not touch that, it will burn us.
Maybe there are times when a glowing red stovetop has not caused injury to some person's hand. When touched by that person, we might just be unaware of such events. If such events have occurred, then we are not justified in drawing our conclusion.
The problem of induction depends upon repeated observation, and thus that the future is like the past. All science depends upon observation of the world for its knowledge, and thus the problem of induction must be solved if we want to have certainty of knowledge.
Positions on the issue vary. We have Thomas Kuhn, and according to him, scientific evolution is not linear but follows a series of revolutions. The history is composed of two phases primarily, normal science and revolution.
Many thanks for
watching this video.
Enjoy.